Mauryan empires. I was founder of Mauryan. I united most of the country. My son was named Bindusar. I would never flew in prisons. So Skotalle Al-Satri was a contemporary to Chandragupta Maurya. Al-Satri described the administrative and state policy of Mauryan Empire during Chandragupta Maurya's time. Megasthenes indicate include all the detailed account of how things were run in empire. Buddha's literature, Jagatka tells Dev Mahasam Dev Nadam Vishka Aditya Mudra Rasi. This is Sanskrit prayer that narrates the ascent of Emperor Chandragupta Maurya to power in India. Origin of Maurya Nanda dynasty last ruler the Nanda lost to Chandragupta Maurya with the help of Kautilya, also known Chanakya Vishnugupta in 1322 before Common Era. Seleucus Nicator was the from Seleucid dynasty member of Macedonia, Greece, ruling in the northwestern part of Indian subcontinent. Chandragupta Maurya, founder of Mauryan dynasty, defended Seleucus Nicator frontier of Alexander the Great. Son of Bindusar, Megasthenes was in the court of Seleucus Nicator. Seleucus Nicator's daughter Helena was married to Chandragupta Maurya, built a department Kostgad for storage of grain mentioned in Sorgad copper plate inscription. Chandragupta Bindusar, he was known as Atri church by the Greeks. He asked for sweet wine, dry figs, and philosopher for Antiochus first of Syria. He is known for conquering land between the two seas. He patronized Ajivika's son Asok, visited the travel ambassador Dimachu, Greek ambassadors. Bindusar Asoka seized the throne with the help of Radha Gupta. He killed his 99 brothers mentioned in few sources, ruled for 12 years. Fort Kaling War ended in 261 BC. Fought 8 years after his coronation, adopted Buddhism. He replaced Birugos principal concept with Dhamgos culture conquest. Son Mahendra, daughter Sugumitri, they were sent to Ceylon, now Sri Lanka, to spread Buddhism. Asoka Edit, founded in two places, wrote major four edicts, papers to disciple James Prinsley in 1837 and published in 1838. William Jones, founder of Aesthetic Society Bengal, who also involved minor 15 pillar 7 है major rogue edits, total 14 language, 3 script, 4 major language used, Prakrit language, major script used, Brahmani script used in Afghanistan, Greek and Aramaic script used northwestern part of the India, Kastri in inscription in mention has Devani, Priya Disi Devon ka Priya, beloved of God. Edicts of Assam, Mansar, Sahabazgarh, Khandargarh, Khalla, Delhi, Thopar, Meerut, Loria, Nandgarh, Lumbini, Rampuria, Lugria, Oraj, Kaushambi, Dhalu, Jagad, Amravati, Sannati, Sopra, Girar, Yagruti. Major rock edict of Soka, full list, Kandara, Greek inscription of rock edicts, 12 and 30 in Greece, Kandara, Lingual rocks inscriptions, bilingual Greek Armenic in Kandahar, Afghanistan, Sahabajangarh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan in Krosni script, Mansehra rock edict, Mansehra, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa provinces, Pakistan in Krostani script, Kalsi near Chakrata, Dehradun district, Uttarakhand, Giranar near Junagadh, Gujarat, Asoka major rock edicts, Sopnar Thana district, Maharashtra, fragment rock edict 8 and 9, 14 line mention in Girana, Doli near Bhubaneswar, Orissa, including Kaling edicts, excluded Rock edicts 11 and 13, Junagadh, Gangajam district, Orissa, including Kaling edicts, Rock 11 13, Sanati, Kaliburg district, Karnataka, separate Rock edict 1 and 2, fragment Rock edict 13 and 14. Thus, Yagargundi near Goti, Karula district, Andhra Pradesh, major Rock edicts and minor Rock edicts. Prohibition animal sighted, ban festival gathering and animal gaming first. Second में medicine care of man and animal mention the Chola Pandya Satputra Chera's kingdoms of South India and Greek king Antisols first and his neighbors. Uh, Third major rock edicts में generosity to Brahmin issue after 12 years Asoka coronation Dharma Mahamantam. It says that the subordinate officer and district head along with Rajruga ruler officer shall go to the whole area of kingdom every 5 years and spread the Dhamma policy of Asoka. फोर्थ में है दम गोश साउंड ऑफ दम राइडनेस इज आइडियल ओवर बेस गोश साउंड ऑफ वॉर. फिफ्थ ही मेंशन द रॉक एडिट्स एवरी ह्यूमन इज मैच अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ दम mantras he mentioned in this occult concerns about slavery. Sixth में talks about king's responsibility towards welfare of peoples. Seventh, tolerance towards all religions and sects. Eighth, describe Asoka's first Daman Yatra to Bodh Gaya and Bodh Tree. Ninth, importance of ceremonies of Dhamma, condiments, popular ceremonies. Ninth, condiments, desire for famine and glory. 11th, Daman as the major policy to follow. It also includes respect for elders and concern for slaves and servants. 12. Tolerance among different religions is also written in Greek in Kandara, Greek Edict of Asoka. It mentions Mahatma's charge of human's welfare. It is the largest creation from the 8th talk about the Asoka 268 to 32 BC. Our Kaling 262 BC and mention its numerous of the half million killed or deported during the conquest by Dhamma. Mentions Soka Dhamma's victory over the great king Antiochus of Syria, Mithcon, Poltemen of Egypt, Thumam, Magus of Syrian Makkah, Antiochus of Macedonia, Methkini, Alexander Epirus. Alexander also mentions Pandya, Cholas, etc. Describe engraving of inscription in different part of country. Kaling War, Kaling ancient name of Orissa, rock edits 12 only mark in important minor rock edits. 4 edicts where Asoka has mentioned by his names. 4. Masi, Karnataka, Gujar, Madhya Pradesh, Guramani to Karnataka, Osika, Edit Rock, Major 14, Pillars, Minor 15, Pillar, Edict 7, Capital Akkas, Inverted Lotan, Shaft, Delhi, Thopar Pillar Edicts, only with 7 edicts use of only one languages and only one script, Prakrit and Brahmin, Topra in Haryana 8%, Lauria, Arikiraj, capital is here, Bihar, Loria, Nandagarh, from Rampura, only bull formed occurs for lion, elephant, horse, ox, lion, wheels, inverted comma, Sarna declared national on 24 June 1950, Samdram Prakrivartan to Ashok. He made this to commemorate the first sermon of Buddha's Babbar Cave Caves, Bihar. Ashoka built the caves for Ajivaka sects. Lomni received caves, Bihar. Nagarjuni Caves, Bihar, dedicated to Ajivika sect built by Dasnath Maurya, grandson of Ashok. Rumandi Negali Sagar inscription. Negali Sagar inscription, Nepal. Another stupa, Konganama, Kanyakumari stupa nearby. It was rebuilt by Ashoka. Rumani Devi Lumbini pillar inscription, Nepal. Ashoka visited here where he made the village of Lumbini free of taxes. Last ruler of Maurya dynasty, Birendra defeated by Pushyamitra Sung. Mauryan administration Saptang theory by Kautilya. 7 elements to rule and administration. Rodasta statecraft book polity. King Raja secretary Amasya territory Janpat fort Durg treasury Kausal army Sena friend Mitra. Province under Mauryan administration Panchayat East Tosil Avantirad West Ujjain Uttar Pradesh North Taxila Dakshin Pat South Savarnagiri Karachi Patliputra at present UP plus Bihar. Tax system paid in gold. Haryana emergency tax. Haryana tax paid in kind by village. Pindakara tax to be paid in cash and kind. Army maintenance tax. Sena Bhaktam surcharge. Extra tax plus Parsvana. Two types of courts. Civil Dharamasya Pallu Vagvarika personal dispute. Kattas Don Nyale Prasidhe dispute between states and peoples. Officer Sena Dutt, Chief Treasury Officer CTO, Same Maharta Collector General of Revenue, responsible for account, Aksh particular count General Auditor Officer, Nagar responsible for city administration, Sita Adhyaksh accounted for agriculture, Smat Adhyaksh responsible for market, Navadaksh accounted for chief, Ashwa Adhyaksh commanding officer of the cavalry soldier who fight on horseback, Shul the Adhyaksh accounted for toll tax, Dhamma Martin procured by Ashoka to check if people are following the concept of Dhamma according to Magashnias mentioned Indica. Municipal Administration Committee 5 members each, Army of 6 Committee 5 members each, Provincial Administration, Uttar Patwa Tehsil, Western Avanti Patha Ujjain, Central Province Magad, Eastern Panchpata Tehsil Kaling, Southern Dakshin Pat Suvarnagiri. Society according to Indica, society divided into 7. 1 no salary slavery, and yes, without any anti-munitions and divers was allowed according to our Shastra. Human occupied high position part of an army economy had lowered the tax value. People didn't had to barely voluntary offering ports West Bharuch, Supra, and Tamilpiti, Bengal. Caste system according to Indicus by Magista Indian society was divided into seven castes. Philosophy cultivator, farmer, hunter, spreader, trader, warrior, overseer, and consular. Move on to next, that was Marathas. Maratha state 1670-1720 and Maratha Confederacy 1720-1818. Shivaji 1714-18, born at Shivrana Fort in 1630. Father Sambhaji Bhosle, mother Jijabai, religious teacher Samrat Ramdas. Battle of Pratapgarh 1659. This battle was fought between the Maratha force led by the Shivaji and Bijapur troops under General Afzal Khan. The Marathas emerged victorious. Sisant Khan, governor of Deccan, deputed by the Aurangzeb to put down rising the power of Shivaji in 1660. Shivaji lost Pune but later made a bold attack against him in 1660, Pranas Suraj 1664, and later Ahmednagar. Raja Jai Singh of Amber, appointed by Aurangzeb to put down Shivaji 1665. Jai Singh succeeded besieging Shivaji at Porabandar. Treaty of Porabandar signed 1665. Shivaji seized from forts to Mughal and had to visit Mughal court at Agra. He had to surrender his fort to Jai Singh. Shivaji was an enemy to Aurangzeb. Shivaji used Wagh Nag to kill Afzal Khan. At 1670, Shivaji coronated at capital Raigad and assumed the title Handawa. Dharamodak, protector to Hinduism, this title named Chhatrapati Shivaji. Shivaji was considered a pioneer of guerrilla warfare. Shivaji was helped by the Astapradhan 8 minister. No collector minister has each was directly responsible to him. Revenue resources Chauth was one-fourth and 25% of land paid to Marathas not being subjected to Marathas rate. Additional leave 10% Sadesh Mukhi, those land of Marathas over which Marathas claim hereditary right but they were part of Mughal Empire. Sambhaji 1680-89, elder son of Sambhaji from Saibai defeated Rajaram, his younger brother, provide protection and support to Mirza Akbar, the rebellion son of Aurangzeb, due to which Aurangzeb gave him a gruesome death. Raja Raj Ram 1689, son of Shivaji and Suryabai, second wife, succeeded the throne with the help of minister of Raigad. That at Sartana became the capital after the fall of Jinji to Mughal 16. Now, new posts were created. Partinin, the total number of ministers now 9. Partidin plus Astapradhan, son of Shivaji and Sohrabai, second wife, Tarabai, 1705, wife of Rajaram, son Shivaji second, Shivaji Sambhaji, two sons, Rajaram Rajaram की वाइफ ताराबाई और शिवाजी son Sahuji. Sahu 1700 to 1714, released by Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah, defeated Tarabai in Battle of Kheda 1707. Balaji Vishwanath 1713 से 20, the first Peshwa PM of Maratha, began his career as small revenue officer, given title Sen Kartik, makers of the army by Shah in 1708. 1713 became made the post important, powerful, and hereditary. In 1719, the Sayyid brother, with the help of Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath, dethroned Farooq Shah. Later, he was blind and killed. Bajirao first 1724, eldest son of Balaji Vishwanath, defeated Nizam ul Mulk, defeated first Nizam of Hyderabad Asaf Jan, signed Treaty of Dorabai Sarai with him 1737. During his time, various Maratha confederacy came into province. Son Balaji Bajirao, his capture Besain from Portuguese in 1739, Peshwa of Pune, Holkar of Indore, Gaikwads of Baroda, Bhosles of Nagpur, Sisodias of Gwalior. Balaji Bajirao 1746, also known as Nana Sahib, during his tenure, third battle of Panipat fought to 5 people died, one of the deadliest war in the entire world. Marathas first Afghan 1761. Sadis or Bahu Peshwa led the Maratha army and Ahmad Shah Abdali from Delhi Durrani Empire led the Afghan for the Marathas lose their battles. Anglo-Maratha wars. First Anglo-Maratha Wars in 1775-1780 due to the internal conflict reason Raghunath Rao, brother of Balaji Bajirao, wanted to become Peshwa. However, Nana Pendiri finally didn't want him to become Peshwa. War won by Marathas and led by Nana Pandey and Britishers lost. The war began when Raghunath Rao signed the Treaty of Purandar with the British to support him to become Peshwa. Treaty of Purandar 1777, Treaty of Vadgaon 9, signed Treaty of Salabai towards the end after the first 1782 after the defeat of Britishers. Second Anglo-Maratha 1800 Subsidy Alliance signed 1802 Treaty of Basant and ruler Baji Rao II, which led to Second Anglo-Maratha War that was won by Britishers. Signed Treaty of Rajgarh with Holkar, Treaty of Deogaon with Bhosle. Maratha War 1870-18, often regarded as Pindara War. The Pindara Wars, looting and laundering were part of Maratha. After the decline of Marathas, Pindara were not getting employed, hence led to them to loot the British and other territories. British attacked Marathas fought against it was a decisive war. Baji Rao second captured and sent to Bithur. Treaty of Mysore signed between the British and the Holkar chief in 1818. From 1818, Peshwaship was abolished. Next topic that was the making of Indian constitutions. December 9, 1946, first meeting Constitutional Assembly. Dr. Rajendra was elected as president. This 11 December 1940, August 29, 40. Seven drafting committee, four drafting constitution was submitted November 4, 1947, November 26, 1949 drafting was completed. Signing of handwritten constitution 24 January 1950. Constitution its layout certain detail that form Indian constitution partially flexible. This basis of the kind of country while all democratic countries are likely to have a constitution. It is not necessary that all countries that have a constitution are democratic. Origin of constitutions from the US 1787, independence of USA 4 July 1776. Early draft of India Constitution 1928 by All Parties Conference chaired by Motilal Nehru reports Constitutional Assemblies 1934 M. N. Roy first demanded for CA. He founded the CPM Communist Party of India 1935 demand by Congress. Offers from Britain region ongoing World War II August October 1940 Christ proposal 1904 Willis Plan 19 Cabinet Mission 1947 Three British Cabinet member Patrick Lawrence Chairman Stafford Cripps Avi Alexander Communist sources means of production controlled by government China oligarchy government by few China Russia monarchy government with single person specifically king and monarch North Korea total control over lives of citizens by whoever is ruling. Only cabinet mission plan was accepted by the Congress and the Muslim League since Constitutional Assembly was formed according to the reason for rejection of Form 1's Congress demand whosoever they offered the dominant status. Treated with density in famous speech Trust with Destiny delivered on the 14th August before Constitution Nehru referred Gandhiji has the ambitions of the greatest man of our generation has been to wipe every tear from every eye. Dominial status it is status given to certain countries that allow them to be self-governing while entering still remaining part of British Empire. The term dominion means that which is master or ruled. Provisions of Cabinet Mission Plan total seats 389, 296 elected British government nominated provincial or state government provinces 11 chief commissioner provinces 4 interim government president of the executive council viceroy and governor general of India Viscount Valley till February 19 Lord Mountbatten from February 1947 commander in chief Sri Kalud Okilink vice president also in charge external affairs and commonwealth relations Jawaharlal Nehru home affairs information and broadcasting Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel agriculture and food Rajendra Prasad, Commerce Ibrahim Islamic Chaudhary, Defense Baldev Singh, Finance Liaquat Ali Khan, Education Arts Sri Rajgopalachari, Health Ghaffar Ali Khan, Labor Jagimi Ram, Joginder Nath Mandal, Railway and Communication Post Air Abdul Rahim Nistar MLA. Seat allocated to each British province were to be divided among three principal communities Muslim, Sikh, Jain. One seat was to be allotted for 1 million population mentioned for election, direct election, proportional representative, single transferable vote. Election held in July-August 1946 result majority Congress INS 2008 seat, Muslim League 73 seat, Independent 15 seats. Ceremony that marked the end of Republic Day celebrations. Britain retired ceremony Independence Day. PM hosted India flag in Red Fort. Republic President unfurled the flag at Kartavya Path after boycott of Muslim League remaining seats in 299 after partitions. 2nd Jan 1947 objectives adopted by 33rd December President by Jawaharlal Committee formed ad major minor 30 drafting committee set up on 29th August 1947. The drafting committee took 141 days to prepare its draft. Total members 7. Chairman Bhimrao also has modern Manohar Modern Man, Alauddin Krishna Swami Iyer and Gopal Swami Iyer. Mudam Swadralu B.L. Mittal replaced by N. Madhav Rao. Deepika replaced by T.T. Krishnamacharya, K.N. Munshi. Draft of the Constitution. First draft was published on 21 February 8 month to play of India. Fourth number 94 B.R. Ambedkar introduced the final draft before Constitutional Assembly at first reading 5 days, second reading 5 number 1948 to 7 October 1940, third reading completed on 26 November 1949. Total session held 11 session for 165. Total time 2 years, 11 months, 718 days. Constitution was meant money. 64 legs to frame the Constitution. Important session. First session 9 December 1946. 211 member. 10 session 6 से 17 October 1949. 11 session 14 से 26 November 1949. Also known as latest session. Presented by Bhimrao Ambedkar before the public on 4th November 98 from Bengal constituency. Constitution was adopted 26 November 9, also celebrated Constitution Day. Constitution enforced on 26 November 1950. Some provisions were imposed on 26 November 1949. Citizen Article 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Election provisional at Parliament. Schedule 8% 12. Parliament 8% 25. Art 395 Article Schedule plus 12 Part plus Preamble. Function of the Constitutional Assembly. Two major functions. Mahatma Gandhi was not a part of Constitutional Assembly law-making bodies to legislature. G.V. Malkar, first Speaker of Lok Sabha. Vice President T.T. Krishnamacharya S. Mukherjee to legislature to make law. Constitutional President Rajendra Prasad after election. Temporary President Chindranath Sinha before election. Function and present Parliament of India. Legal Constitutional Letter B.N. Rao, Chief Draftsman S.N. Mukherjee, number of CA members who signed Constitution 284, had 15 female members signed on last sitting of CA 24 January 1950, first President 26 January 1950, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Adopt National Flag 22 July, National Anthem by Rabindranath Tagore, Jan Gana Mana, National Song by Bankim Chandra Vande Mataram, Commonwealth Ratification May 1949. Important female member of CA Rajkumar Amrit Kaur, first Health Minister Suchita Kumar, first female CM of UP Sarojini, first Governor of Uttar Pradesh State. Handcraft, calligraph, English, Prem Bihari Narayan Rajwar, Hindi Vasant Krishna Bhatia, decorated by Nand Lal Bose, Bihar Lal Mona, Indian Constitution, largest constitution symbol of Indian Constitution, elephant. Language of Constitutions, English Committee of Sea of India, Major Committees, Minor Committees, Major Committees, Union Power Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru, Union Constitutional Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru, State Committee, a committee for negotiation with the State, Jawaharlal Nehru, Provincial Constitution Committee, Sardar Patel, Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities and Tribal and Exclusive Areas, Sardar Patel, Fundamental Rights Subcommittee, G.P. Kripalani, Minority Subcommittee, H.C. Mukherjee, Northeastern Frontier Tribal Area, Assam Excluded and Partially Excluded Area Subcommittee, Gopinath Bardolia, Excluded and Partially Excluded Areas other than those in Assam, Subcommittee, A.V. Thakur, Northwest Frontier Tribal Area Subcommittee, Drafting Committee, Dr. B.M.R. Rules of Procedures Committee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Steering Committee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Major Minor Committee, the Finance Staff, B. Dr. Rajendra, Ad hoc Committee on National Affairs, Rajendra, Credital Committee, Alauddin Krishna Vayam, House Committee, B.T. Pattabhai, Sitamarhi Committee on Chief Commission, B. Pattabhai, Order of Business Committee, Dr. K.N. Munshi, Committee on the Finance Constitution, G.V. Malankar, Ad hoc Committee on the Supreme Court, C. Vardhavachari, Ad hoc Committee on Citizenship, C. Vardhavachari, not an Assembly member. Expert Committee on the Financial Provision of the Union Constitution, Nelayan Rajanagar Sakar, Linguistic Provision Commission, SK Special Commission to explain the draft committee, Jawaharlal Nehru, Press Gallery Committee, Usha Nath Sen, Linguistic Provision Commission, SK Edu Committee, Flag Rajendra Prasad, capitalist state industry where the government control the economy, plutocratic government by rich people, mixed economy, system that combine elements of a market, employ and a planned economic explain India. Mahajanpads and Janpads and Magad empires. Aryan migrate from Central Asia tribe Jana Janpad where they stay. Mahajanpads consolidate of Jana, Mahajanpad total 16 source. Ashtadhyayi is in Sanskrit by Panni, oldest book of Sanskrit grammar written in 14th-16th century BC. Mentioned total 14 Janpads. Buddhist literature Anguta Nikaya total 16 Janpad mentioned. Dikkin Nikaya total 12 Mahajanpad mentioned. Pali texts of Buddhism. Jain literature Bhagavati Sutra. There were monarchical single decision maker republic Kuru, Kamboj, Vaji, Malu, Asak, multiple decision maker Gana and Sang, गंधारा तक्षशिला और भरत कुरु सुरसेन मत्स्य पंचाल कौशल मलु काशी विजय अगर मगध साउथ ऑफ गंगा गंगा कॉम्प्लेक्स ईरान कृष्णा अयास और स्वयं अयास ब्लैक मेटल वस्त्र चेत अवंती उज्जैन मत्स्य साउथ पार्ट अस्कास नर्मदा नॉर्दर्न पार्ट अंगा करण अंगराज चंपा मुगहर एंड बगलपुर मगध राजगिरी पाटलिपुत्र गया एंड पटना काशी वाराणसी प्लस वन प्लस अस्सी रिवर पे बनारस वास्ता कौशाम्बी इलाहाबाद कसोल सरस्वती अयोध्या ईस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश गोंडा बहराइच सूरासेन मथुरा मथुरा पंचाल अंचल कल्पली वेस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश बरेली कुरु इंद्रप्रस्थ मेरठ एंड साउथ ईस्ट हरियाणा मत्स्य विराटनगर जयपुर चेडी चीती सोती बंडा बुंदेलखंड अवंती उज्जैन मत्स्य शिप्रा रिवर बिटवीन मध्य प्रदेश एनावल गंधारा तक्षशिला रावलपिंडी कम्बोज पोच राजगुरु हजरत कश्मीर अस्माक पाकिस्तान पटियान पोटान बैंक ऑफ गोदावरी विजिल वैशाली वैशाली मल एटक्लेंस वेजली मल्ला कुसारी दियोरी एंड यूपी Watches at Clan Jankati Vida Lichvi, a powerful kingdom. King Jakata, father of Sita, was from Vida. Reason for the rises of Magad advantage position it captured Rajgiri, surrounded by a 5 billion Padliput situated confluence of Ganga and Son. Availability of land islands its vast mastery Doab region, great leader Iron Mayans in Jharkhand region, dynasty which ruled in Magad. Aryan dynasty's members are 1544 BC, 1492 BC, title Sinai, he lead military command against Angr, diplomatic through marriage, revived sister of Prasthi, son of Kausal king, Chilai Lichvi, made Punjab, sent his physician Jivika Uddin to treat King Bhadrati, who was suffering from jaundice, Mahajanpads and Mahajanpads हरियन के बाद में आया Ajatasattu, son of Chela and Bimbisar, conquered Lichvi, defeated Kosal, married the king's daughter, patronized sacrifice Buddhist killed by his father Bimbisar, war engine catapult, conquered Vaishali using war engines, Udyayan shifted Rajgiri to Palipur, modern day Patna, Siswang defeated Avanti, merged with Magad, Kalashok patronized second Bindu Nanda dynasty आ गई महापद्मनंद title एकराज meaning empire building up root of Satyajit Dhananand Alexander invaded India during his reign 326 lowest king of the Nanda dynasty Alexander the Great defeated many kingdoms but was defeated by his army battle Hadalpit and the forest was defeated in the middle on the bank of Jhelum society pottery northern black polished ware Punchmark coins, form of niche correspond facultative to artisan and merchant guilds. Its organized committee of trader craft was hereditary iron flux agriculture surplus. Second, urbanized Harappan closed village headmen Bojikas. Priest had to pay taxes one-sixth of the their production reached present Gapati, which is Bali voluntary of fare to the king was not compulsory. Toll tax prested collected by officer known as Solke and Sulk Dayaks. Move on to next topic that was Panchayat and municipalities. Rural urban evolution of Panchayat Raj Balwant Rai Mehta 1957 recommended 3-year Panchayat Raj System Rajasthan first established Panchayat Raj at Nagaur on 2 October 1959. Ashok Mehta Committee 17 proposed two-tier Panchayat Raj system. GVK Rao Committee 89 received the working constitution in relation to the working of the Panchayat and municipality. LM Singhvi Committee 90 recommended the Panchayat Raj institution should be constitutionally recognized, protected and preserved. Tungon Committee 1988, Gandhali Committee 1988, 33rd Amendment Act 1992 Constitutional Amendment, Introduction to 33rd Amendment Act 1992, Part 9, Article 243, 243 or Scheme 1129, Fundamental Function 24th April 1993, and for the PM PV Narasimha Rao, 24th April 2010, Panchayati Raj Divas. Article 243 defines Gram Sabha means a body consisting of a person registered in the electoral relating to the village compared within the area or at panchayat at the village level. District and state Gram Sabha body consisting of a person registered in electoral within the area of panchayat at village level, intermediate level between village and district level specified by governor, panchayat and institutional government. 234 rural panchayat area panchayat population necessary and large preceding is village. A village specified of the governor article 233 Gram Sabha was exercise such power and perform such function at village level as the legislature of state and power and facility determined state legislature. Article 240 Constitution of Panchayat shall be constituted in every state panchayat as a village independent district levels. According with the provisions of this part, constitution of three-tier Panchayat Raj system, Panchayat of intermediate level not be constituted in a state having population not exceeding 20 lakhs, three-tier village, block and district intermediate level, Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, Jilla Parishad, Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, Naya Panchayat. Article 243 C. Composition of all the seats in Panchayat shall be filled in persons chosen by the chairperson of Panchayat at village level shall be elected in such manner as the legislature of state will preside chairman at district level, intermediate level, village level, elected through indirect election, elected through direct and indirect election. Article 243 Reservation of seats shall be reserved for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes in every panchayat proportion to the total number of seats to be filled by direct election in the panchayat. Reservation of seats, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe in proportion of their population. Reservation of seats, Article 243, no less than one-third, including the number of seats reserved for women belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe of the total number of seats to be filled by the direct election. Every panchayat shall be reserved for women. Not less than one-third of the total number of seats shall be reserved for women. Reservation of one-third of seat of panchayat Raj institution, one-third officer or chairperson at all level. Article 243 Divisions of Panchayat etc. Every panchayat unless sound or dissolved under any law for time being enforced shall continue for years from date approved for the first meeting and no longer. Duration of a 5-year term unless dissolved only by application election timeline before the end of its 5-year term. Dissolution of panchayat is dissolved before the term ends must be held within 6 months of dissolution date if remaining term is less than 6 months. Election not mandatory term of vacancy franchise form after early dissolution will serve only for the remainder of original term. 1st Jan 2020, 1st Jan 2025, 20 number to less than 6 months election not mandatory. Deletion 1st Jan 2041 more than 6 election mandatory dissolution. Power Jilla Parishad नए पंचायत forms will serve remain of the state government can dissolve Jilla Parishad. Article 243 F. Those qualification of member person shall be disqualified for choosing as being a member of panchayat. Disqualification provision. Disqualification for membership fee should disqualify or under any law for the time being in force for the purpose returned to the legislature of state concerned, provided that no person shall be disqualified on the ground that they is less than 25 years of age if he attained the age of 21 years. Law made by state legislation can cause disqualification minimum is 25 years cannot be disqualified is 25 greater than. Disqualification for member if issued disqualified or under any law made by the legislature of the state. High Court election dispute of MPs and MLA state legislature has all power of panchayat. Disqualification decided as determined by state legislature. Election state election commissions power authority responsible panchayat legislature of a state may be law and due to panchayat with such power and authority and may be necessary to enable them to function as institutions self-governing. State legislature give power and responsibility to panchayat to manage their own affairs and is creating development plan for economic growth and social welfare of their communities, earning of scheme to implement programs related to area like agriculture, education, housing, water supply, all listed in 11th schedule of the Constitution, Article 243H. Power to impose taxes by and fund of panchayat. State legislature can authorize the panchayat. They leave, collect, and provide tax duties and establishment to fund of without money in financial management. Article 243 I Constitution of Financial Commission to review financial for the governor shall as soon as within 1 year from the commencement of the Constitution 73rd Amendment Act 1993 or after at the expiration of every fifth year Constitution Financial Commission to review the financial position of the Panchayat and to make the recommendation of the Constitution of Finance established by government not binding under 73rd Constitution Amendment every 5 years. Article 243J Audit of accounts of Panchayat. The state legislature ensure financial transparency and accountability of Panchayat by requiring them to maintain proper accounts and have them audited regularly. Article 243 Election to the Panchayat. All election of Panchayat considered state election commission. The state election commission appointment by the governor. Condition of and tenure of the state election commission determined by governor. Article 243 L. Application to Union Territory provision of Part 9 of the which deal with Panchayat shall have duties with certain modification exception. Article 243 M. Part not to apply to certain areas. To Article 240 M to certain areas like tribal areas, some northeastern Panchayat system to respect the unique governance tradition and local custom. However, provision can be extruded to this area necessary modification specific. Delhi is the only UT where provisions of the Panchayat were not applicable. Nothing is part shall apply left Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Panchayat system do not exist. Hilly Manipur district council exist here. Article 240 continuous of existing laws and Panchayat. Article 243 ensure a smooth transition to the new Panchayat Raj system by allowing old laws to remain temporarily valid. Well, the state make necessary changes to comply with update constitutional framework. Article 243 of bar to interfere by court in electoral matter. Court cannot interfere with the procedure defining Panchayat constitution or assuming seat Panchayat election cannot be challenged. They can only dispute it through proper legal procedure after the election. 243 to 4 Gram Sabha Constitution of Panchayats, Constitution of Reservation, durations, disqualification power, H to impose taxes, Constitution Financial Commission to review financial position, J audit elections, L elish power not apply certain and continuous existence, and 243 bar. Visa Panchayat Extension Schedule Area Article 1990 provisions of a Art 9 Latin Panchayat not equivalent to the fifth schedule area. Parliament may extend the provisions for such areas subject to certain modification. Bureau Committee is considerable power to Gram Sabha to ensure stable self-rule for people living in scheduled area. Municipalities, urban local body introduced through 74 Constitution 1999 to Part 9A, Article 243 PZ 243Z. Under 12 Schedule 18th Financial Subject, first municipal government set up in Madras to 1687, 88, 18th Lord Maya President Resolution for Financial Decentralization, Punri Resolution 18 to Padana of Local Self-Government is known as Father of Local Self-Government. There are eight types of urban local government: municipal corporation, municipality, noted canton board, township, town committee, post, special purpose agency, type of Nagar Panchayat for a transition area, municipal for a small urban, for a large urban. All seats are filled through direct election condition by state election commissions. And here is your whole point.